Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for G4MA142. This is a 2004 Mazda Miata Mazdaspeed. This is the version with the turbo. The cooling is damaged, so I'm not going to let it run too long here. Vehicle has 133,465 miles on it. I will tell you that the previous owner of this vehicle was an enthusiast and intended on keeping this car for a long time. Kept it very nice, so very nice piece of machinery here. We'll have a lot for sale off of this. Be sure to check our eBay store if you're looking for any Mazdaspeed accessories. Thank you and have a good day.